Okay, we're going to take a look at the 4 word problems that we had on the test. Number 1, John walked half of a mile yesterday and a quarter of a mile today. How many miles has John walked? So we're looking for a total, so this is going to be addition. So we have 1/2 plus 1/4. If we look at 2 and 4, I see automatically that we can change. The common denominator is going to be fourths. Didn't do anything here, so we're keeping it the same. We multiplied this by 2, so we have 2/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. So the correct answer would be John has walked 3/4 of a mile. Alright, number 2. Mary is preparing for a final test. She studied for 3.5 hours on Friday, 6 1/4 hours on Saturday, and 2/3 of an hour on Sunday. How many hours has she studied? So again, we're looking for a sum, a total. I'm going to first look at the fractions. So I have 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 2/3. Look at all these, I see that the common multiple, they share 12. Okay, so if I multiply 1/2 by 6, I'm going to get 6/12. Then multiply 1/4 by 3, I'm going to get 3/12. And if I multiply 2/3 by 4, I'm going to get 8/12. And I need to add all these together. So we have 6/12 plus 3/12 plus 8/12. So 6 plus 3 plus 8, that is 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 8 is 17, so we have 17/12. That's improper fractions. I need to turn that to a mixed number. So if I take one whole out, or 12/12, that's 12/12. So I'm going to have one whole, and when I subtract that, I'm going to have 5/12 left over. So that's just adding the fractions. I now need to remember this 3 and 6. So we have 6 plus 3 plus 1 and 5/12. So 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10. So we have 10 and, 16. The final answer is 10 and 5/12 hours. Again, a lot of us aren't writing the units, so at some point it's going to be wrong. Alright, a recipe needs 7/8 teaspoon of black pepper and 1/6 teaspoon of red pepper. How much more black pepper does the recipe need? Well, see how much more here. This is comparison, so this is going to be subtraction. So I have 7/8, and I'm going to subtract 1/6 from that. If I look at these, the common multiple they have is 24. Okay, to get that, I'm going to multiply this by 4, this fraction by 3. So 7/8 times 3 is 21/24, and 1/6 times 4 is 4/24. So now it's 21 minus 4/24, and that equals 17/24 teaspoons of black pepper. So I guess 17 and 24 more teaspoons of black pepper. And finally, if we look at number 4, a soccer player runs 8 1/5 miles a day. A second player on the same team runs 9 3/4 miles a day. How much more does the second player run? So again, this is comparison. So we can do subtraction. 9 3/4 minus 8 1/5. Again, we have to start with the fractions. Okay, so 3/4 minus 1/5. So I look at that, we can convert these to 20ths. Multiply this fraction by 4, so 1/5 times 4 is 4/20. 3/4 times 5 is 15/20. So now we have 15 minus 4/20, which equals 11/20. That can't be simplified, but now I need to remember to do my whole numbers again. 9 minus 8 is 1. So my final answer is 1 and 11/20 more miles a day. Alright, I am not going to go over the next section or the bonus ones. So this is all you need to do. So email me what you did wrong, and that's all. See you.